Welcome to AdclickMedia. This is a quick tutorial for advertisers looking for more targeted traffic to their offers. Our pay-per-click system allows you to display your ads on hundreds of websites that attracts your ideal audience. You can start text and image-based ads from one easy-to-use platform and pay only for verified clicks. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your campaigns and start generating traffic the easy way. First, log into your AdclickMedia ad account. The first step is to add funds in your account. Click the Add Funds button under Funds tab and follow the instructions. Type in the amount you want to deposit. The recommended minimum amount to start a PPC campaign is $100. With most campaigns, you can get up to 200 plus clicks with a $100 ad budget, which is a good size campaign to test conversions. We accept PayPal, credit card, and Bitcoin for payment. Once your funds are approved, it's time to start your ad campaign. Under Ad Campaigns, click on PPC. Click on Add New PPC Ad on this page. Pick the ad type from the drop-down menu. The text ads will give you opportunity to add a headline, description, and offer URL of all standard sizes. Image ads are banner ads of all standard sizes. We recommend that you create both image and text ads for your offers so that you don't miss out on the extra traffic. Click the Next button to add the text or image ads to this campaign. For text ads, fill out the fields and click Next. For image ads, upload banners of all given sizes. Next, choose the target categories for your campaign. You'll see the cost per click for each category and country. Select the countries that you want to show your ads and click Next. Next, select the devices and platforms you want to show your ads on and click the button. Type in your daily budget and total budget allowed for this campaign. Type in 0 if you don't have a limit for this campaign and click the Next button. You can preview how your ad will look like in the page. If you like what you see, go ahead and click on Submit Campaign button. You can view the status of your campaigns on your PPC dashboard page. Once approved, your ad will start displaying immediately. You can track everything on the PPC dashboard page. Here are some important things to note with PPC ad campaigns. Ads are approved manually and it may take a few minutes to get approved. Clicks are approved manually to prevent fraudulent or invalid click, usually within the hour of when the click happens. CPC amount will be deducted from total funds available. When the funds are depleted, your ad campaign will stop running until more funds are deposited. If you would like for us to set up and manage your campaigns, we can help you with that. Simply reach out to your account manager and ask for help.